Yeah, man, this is the impeccable Imar Shepherd representing for Big Bad Sound. Yeah, man, select a Sons and Lictious. It's up, bowl of South Africa, big up. Kill them. Kill them, kill them, kill them, kill them, no. Select a Sons and Lictious. It's up. Them dead. Big Bad Sound, I kill them dead. Yeah. Them dead. Don't play the boss of them. Them dead. Big Bad Sound, I kill them dead. Them dead. Don't play the boss of them. Them. Watch this. Hear that sound over there, so them a send check. But look, you know, Big Bad Sound of them a fret. I be real time, no go call me the rest. Cause when it come to killing, Big Bad Sound are the best. Sound boy, a your time now, so you not fi guess. We do we one thing, and we no take press. We know them fear we, look how them a stress. Now them realize, them in a mess. Bad Sound kill them there, yeah. Kill them there, yeah. Don't play the mash up them, yeah. Them dead. Hey, kill them there, yeah. Bad Sound, I kill them there. Don't play the chop off them, yeah. They should not test the champion sound. Watch ya. Music is life in the music. You should not test the Big Bad Sound. Many are called to do this, but Bad Sound was chosen. It's never a frustrated journey when Big Bad Sound has stand sturdy. Kill sound boy from it early, because them never ever birdie. Sound I go there.